Our top story this lunchtime, South Korea reported 103 new COVID-19 cases on this Friday. It's the first time the daily figure has exceeded the 100 mark since March, if you exclude one day 3 weeks ago when imported cases surged due to the arrival of a chartered flight of South Korean construction workers from Iraq. Local health authorities are on high alert, as you would expect. The government is considering upping social distancing measures to level 2 from the current level 1 in Seoul and its surrounding areas. Let's connect to our Choi Jeong-yoon, who's on the line for us. Jeong-yoon, just give us more details about this concerning uptick in cases.
Mark, South Korea is seeing more and more small cluster infections, some with uncertain transmission routes, and they appear to be popping up across the country, not just in certain places. But today's number, 103 new COVID-19 cases, is a record high not seen in 4.5 months. Health authorities are also on high alert, as 85 of the new cases were local transmissions. 72 came from the central region, with Seoul seeing 32 cases alone, the highest in 5 months. Most were linked to small gatherings in churches, schools, door-to-door sales, and markets across the country. Prime Minister Choi Jeong-yoon said this morning that the government is considering raising social distancing measures one notch to level 2 in the capital region. That would mean going back to more closures of entertainment facilities and bans on large gatherings.
And Jeong-yoon, a 3-day holiday weekend is about to start, and that means more and more people are going to be out and about, and potentially we could see even higher numbers. What kind of measures are health authorities and city governments taking in that regard?
Yes, Mark, with the National Liberation Day on Saturday and the temporary holiday on Monday, many people are expected to be on the move. The Seoul city government has handed down an administrative order banning assembly scheduled for Saturday that would have seen some 220,000 people come together. Health authorities have advised churches to refrain from eating or chanting together and ask for churchgoers to keep a safe distance apart and wear face masks. They emphasize personal quarantine, especially in central regions, asking people to cancel unnecessary meetings and avoid going into confined and busy places such as bars and restaurants. That's all I have for now. Back to you, Mark.